Train your English voice with present simple questions. Simple questions use do and does. And to form a question, we need to change the order and add a question mark. So, let's have a look at some examples. I, we, you, and they use the word do. He, she, and it use the word does. So, in order to change this to become a question, we put do or does at the beginning of the sentence. With I, we, you, and they. Or he, she, and it. Now, let's have a look at some sentence examples. With do, we could say, do we have to leave now? And with does, we can say, does she have the book? Now, let's have a look at some sentences and how they change to become questions. So, the first sentence, he does like football. Now notice, he does is at the beginning of this sentence. But to make a question, we need to change these two words around and use does he. So, does he like football? The next one, they do eat meat. Do they eat meat? And the last one, I do, or yes, I do. Do you like fruit? Alright, so now let's have a look at which words we can use in the present simple to ask questions. The first word, where. And this is asking about place. For example, where is the park? Or where is the library? The second one, what? This is asking for information about something. For example, what time is it? Or what's that book about? Number 3, when? This is asking about time. For example, when is Ben coming here? Or when will she be leaving? The next one is how often, and this is asking the number of times something is done. For example, how often do you go to the cinema? Or how often do you have music lessons? And the last one, how much? This is asking about the amount of something or the price. For example, how much are those apples? Or how much milk is there in the fridge?